Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the issue where Messenger video calls aren't showing up on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and look for either Notifications or App Management. The name might be a little different depending on your phone model and software version, then tap on it. Next, find Messenger in the list of apps and open it. Make sure the Allow Notifications option is turned on so you can receive alerts for incoming calls. After that, go back and tap on App Permissions or Permissions for Messenger. Check that Messenger has permission to access your microphone, camera, and call notifications. These permissions are essential for video calls to work properly, so make sure all three are enabled. Once you've confirmed the settings, open the Messenger app itself. Tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the bottom right corner to open the menu, then scroll down and go to Settings. In Settings, look for the Notifications and Sound section. Make sure that all the toggles, like message notifications, call notifications, and sounds, are turned on. That's it. After following these steps, your Messenger app should start showing video call notifications whenever someone tries to reach you. Thanks for watching.